Welcome back to Engine Plusle. Today, we're diving into a remarkable fusion of power, innovation, and style, the 2025 Tesla Roadster. This machine isn't just a car, it's a statement of what the future of performance and sustainability looks like. Let's start with what everyone's talking about: speed. The 2025 Tesla Roadster is breaking barriers with its claimed 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 1.9 seconds. That's right, under 2 seconds. It's powered by Tesla's advanced electric drivetrain and a tri-motor setup delivering insane torque and all-wheel drive capabilities. With over 1,000 horsepower, this car is designed to dominate both the streets and the track. Now, let's talk about range. Tesla has upped the ante with a 200 kWh battery pack, offering a staggering range of over 620 miles on a single charge. This means the Roadster isn't just for short bursts of excitement, it's a long-distance cruiser that can take you farther than any other electric sports car. And thanks to Tesla's growing supercharger network, recharging is faster and more convenient than ever. But it's not just about performance, the Roadster is a visual masterpiece. The sleek, aerodynamic design reduces drag while enhancing stability at high speeds. Its retractable glass roof adds a sense of openness, allowing you to enjoy the ride like never before. Inside, the minimalistic yet luxurious cabin is packed with cutting-edge tech, including Tesla's signature infotainment system and advanced autopilot features. One of the coolest aspects of the 2025 Roadster is the inclusion of SpaceX-inspired rocket thrusters. Yes, you heard that right. These thrusters provide an additional boost in acceleration and handling, making this car a true engineering marvel. It's a glimpse into how Tesla is blending automotive technology with aerospace innovation. Now, shifting gears a bit, let's briefly touch on an exciting concept: millet conversion motorhome trucks. Imagine taking a robust truck and transforming it into a fully functional motorhome with all the comforts you could ask for. These conversions are gaining popularity, offering a unique combination of off-road capability and home-like luxury. Whether it's a rugged adventure or a long road trip, millet conversions are redefining how we explore the world. Back to the Tesla Roadster. It's clear that this car isn't just about hitting top speeds or breaking records, it's about setting a new standard for what's possible in the automotive industry. From its jaw-dropping acceleration to its impressive range and innovative features, the 2025 Tesla Roadster is a game-changer. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the Tesla Roadster and a quick look at millet conversion motorhome trucks, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Engine Plusle for more exciting automotive content. Thanks for watching.